Hello beautiful people, you are warmly welcome back to Dear Denise Kitchen, or welcome to Dear Denise Kitchen if this is your first time here. Today on our menu we have 4 varieties of overnight oats which you can prepare with fresh or frozen fruits. I hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you're new here, please do subscribe. We will be very appreciative. So let's begin with our overnight oats preparation. We are using organic rolled oats. We're going to measure out 2 cups of the oats, and then we will measure out 1/4 cup chia seeds. I then added 5 tablespoons of collagen powder, which is optional. I am using 2 cups of soya milk. Feel free to use whatever milk that you prefer. Then 1 cup of Greek style yogurt. My sweetener of choice today is honey, and I'm using 1/4 cup. You can use whichever sweetener you prefer, and if you're on a calorific diet, you might want to consider a low calorie sweetener. Sweeten the oats to your taste preference, but don't forget that the fruits also offer some amount of sweetness to the oats. Mix thoroughly and refrigerate. So refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, but best overnight. I am ready to assemble my overnight oats now, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare my fruits. Our fruits are now ready to go. Now let's talk about containers. I have 3 different types here with 3 different types of covering. if you're going to be taking this with you to work or out, or basically put it in your bag to take out, you might want to consider that the lids need to be tight, because you don't want it spilling in your bag. And then wide mouth containers are best as well, because you're going to be scooping it to eat it. It makes it much easier as well to stir or to just basically eat. So I have these 3 choices of 600 milliliter, no, I think they're 500 milliliter containers, which is just enough. So, well, you make a choice. Our oats has been in the fridge for overnight now, and we are ready to use it. It's very thick at the moment, and even if you invert it, it doesn't pour out. So cool. So I'm gonna stir it just to loosen it up a little bit, and then we're going to assemble it in our containers.